said it was too small. Robbie wanted something bigger, but then somebody told me Robbie's looking for you, which is half that size. So
he was definitely fucking it up. I'm sure Terry coaches any room to breathe at the tournament.
No.
He didn't come for air. It was a sin. It was embarrassing.
Who, Rob?
Yeah.
Was he all over?
Everyone.
Yes.
I said he's having lots of dinner next week because the wife doesn't know.
There's always a guy goes, look, I do everything. You know what I mean? I think the coach kind of took offense to that.
Yeah. Time to go.
Good ball. Good, James. Good, James. Ball again.
No, this was good. They got some nice yeah, for Derek, yeah, they got, you know. There are a lot about them. They're more than great. They have character and scholarships. So, you know, all that stuff. And you put it all out there. And
It's supposed to matter. Does he have good grades? Yeah.
He has average grades. Yeah, he doesn't take any courses. He's 3.6. You know, just general courses.
That's good.
11, 20, SATs.
Okay.
They're like all over each other. Kind of legs going back up. It's good.
So was it with the freshman?
Yeah. He was with the freshman.
Good job, James.
Would you consider this club box or 700 level?
Club box. Yeah. Good.
Nice, good save.
Or so, whatever.
It actually makes you feel like you're in the eyelids watching.
I
So
thought
it's
maybe
warming
death.
me right
That's
up.
not a palm tree. All right.
Okay. The way they sway so nicely in
Yeah.
the
I
green.
thought they'd be dead by now.
Warming me up.
Yeah.
Actually, I think you get the day off.
Well, not all the symptoms are obvious, right? I mean, you could kind of
Yeah.
that's it.
The first call I had to him, he said, oh, he's woozy. He was definitely disoriented, blah, blah, blah. So I don't know what to do if he's gonna, I'm like,
Yeah?
You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. Right. Oh, my goodness. Well, he's going to be right this week.
No, I think the coach would rather see us
Unless you're concerned, it gives him pause.
coming to college.
Right, whether you want to pick.
I think Joe's thought was he was going to have him eat. See if he, like, you know what I mean, got sick or felt bad after he ate, but I don't know. I would just say we'll see tomorrow. Go home, rest, see you tomorrow.
Yep. Absolutely right.
It's not your arm. It's not your arm.
Exactly.
Can't take any chances, you're right.
I mean, he was, he was swaying when the coach was walking him off the field.
He was all over.
Yeah, it was scary. Right back. Oh.
not a snooze button here.
You don't go every 10 minutes?
Yeah.
One and done?
Down.
Gotcha.
Nice. Okay, it's the battle.
Maybe she knows we'll be here for 20 minutes. So
Yeah, she's playing the same.
Not a bad strategy.
Wonder strategy.
Yeah, Joe. Oh
Again.
my gosh.
making you cringe.
Come on, Brandon.
Fancy guys. Come on.
Way to go today. Start it up.
Hey, come on, E.
Let's go up. Did
Corner.
did
Stretches. I didn't see his.
hit it. Come on, E.
Yeah, I never.
His kid played on the team.
A couple years before.
Yeah, they had nothing good to say about any of our boys. It was just hysterical. So I never went on it, but I mean, our dads would talk about it. We had one dad who would go on it, and, like read stuff and talk about it. It was
You guys have a lot of time to work to go on stuff.
It talks about you can see like there was a lot of stuff about like other teams. Well, both, but this was just there's
high
a different
school.
form for that.
Yes.
This was just
Yeah, this was the high school.
What is it? New Jersey soccer?
it's
No.
it's New Jersey, right? So it's a stadium, so you go to sports. High school, boys high school 4, and then you get into South stuff. Oh,
Ours
dirt.
too. Ours too. It'd be like, you know what?
Well, people get
Oh.
it's like Frank Rodriguez. That's the guy's. That's the name. Well, then
Oh
you
no,
can
this guy
tell.
had a secret name.
This was
Well,
Love Pop.
most of them are.
Love
Yeah,
Pop.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Diggy Dogs.
Yeah,
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 Crazy,
yeah,
you know.
yeah, yeah.
Except you're number 5 pencil. It's crazy. You know,
Not hard to figure.
yeah.
That's all he talks about, right?
That was funny. My son.
6 weeks and he's been a car. Yeah.
Nip that in the bud.
Nick
Yeah,
said,
that's
Nick
on
said same thing. He goes,
No, we need off December.
Yeah, definitely. These kids need a break. This is better. Next week will be 4 weekends in a row.
can you imagine the traffic with these kids trying to drive there with like, you know,
For a 6 o'clock.
yeah, nowhere. They have to leave at 4.
I remember when we started with the Barrett, it was our philosophy is they need off December in the winter.
Yeah.
No indoor.
No, yeah.
So futsal, okay. And now he's coaching futsal? Don's coaching futsal?
Is he?
Well, Nick said, he's like, it's not going to be like fun, like Joe's leaving.
I don't know, do we really need to pay to coach futsal?
I hope I'm not paying any extra for him. All you gotta do is stand there.
I thought that was in there.
I don't know what's in there.
All right.
Still on it.
All right. Come on, Josh. That's been good. I think you're right. Between the leg, that back and the hamstring, which a lot of times are
Right.
connected, they just
Yeah. Yep.
Nick had he almost did contact today. Went to the doctor Wednesday. He had like a little throat thing,
Right.
virus.
Are you coming? I didn't know if I had to hit the snooze button.
I didn't know you were
So
going.
you're not joking, Cody's really in.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure you didn't fall back asleep. You know where the keys are at. You need to warm up more. All right.
Good service, room service.
Wake up call?
I say.
A little slow.
Back now.
It's Joe's famous move right there, man. Shake, crossover, baby.
It's been working for him.
It has. It works. He can do it 2-3 times, too.
Yeah.
He's got a patent.
Oh, still there. Jeez. Everybody else cleared though. He really did.
Wow.
That's too good.
Got a lot of room here.
Just flip up. Here, take a circle.
Yeah. No strays.
Good. You are killing me tonight.
Did you have too much to drink at the pub?
Man.
That's what AJ was looking at.
Yeah.
My turn, Jack! Good job, James! Yeah, keep going is right.
Yeah. There you go.
Early.
We're not good at early. Knock him out. No code.
Overtime.
I know.
Come on, Red!
Work, Myles.
Too much.
That's the freaking ball.